Hey y'all, I thought I would record a video on how I keep my braids nice and moisturized before I get ready to head to bed. Now, I've had these braids in for probably about almost a week now, and I just wanted to come on here and show y'all how I refresh, and not necessarily like refresh, like take them down, but how I keep them moisturized, how I keep my scalp healthy, and all those good things while I have these braids in. So right now, what you see me doing is using my spray bottle, and I'm just spraying some water with peppermint oil and a little bit of, what is that stuff called? Conditioner, leave-in conditioner. And this is also a concoction that I made of oils and stuff like that that I know works good for my hair. Since I cut all my hair off while I was braiding the hair, I ended up cutting it off, and don't mind my edges. These are my edges, they're not yours, so you don't have to worry about them. Yeah, and I'm just running that oil through my scalp and just giving it a nice little refresh and all that stuff, just putting it on my edges and stuff like that, going through the braids. Yeah, just rubbing it through, feeling real good. I love when I just oil my scalp like this. It feels real good, it's refreshing and all that good stuff, and overnight it just kind of seeps into your scalp. Especially in the bag, you see my eyes are closed. I'm just like, yes, girl, yes. Especially, in the back where, sometimes the braids be a little bit tight. And it's weird because I braided my own hair, but it's still tight, and it's not too tight, but it's, it feels good. So after that, I like to just put some mousse on it just to lay, if I have any flyaways, which I at this point I don't have any flyaways, but I put some mousse on there and just, lay it down. It feels real nice and good and fresh. And when you wake up in the morning, it's kind of like, your hair be kind of laid and you be looking real good, and, just all those good things. So just always keep your hair moisturized, especially with braids, because you don't want your hair to break off. Braids are, well, for me, braids are a protective style, and they, it's just an easy, simple way for me to, look like I'm doing the most without doing the most at all, because I know how to braid my own hair. So at this point, what I'm gonna do is put my scarf on, okay? And this is the end of the night. Now, I do have a method because I braided my hair, in the back, obviously, as well. So I leave those back braids while they're still a little bit tight. I leave those all the way down. So you see that right there. I leave them down, and I put the scarf in between it so that the scarf is not like ridiculously, pulling the back of my hair. And I just tie it up like this, and I get ready to go to bed, girl. And that's all I do. If y'all want to know any more things about how I do my hair, just let me know. Y'all have a good night. Bye.